Stop, stop, stop. That's not how it works. Let me show you how to use it. Okay. The DS700 can connect the phone to the amplifier in RX mode and solve all the problems. Okay? First, take out the charging head of the DS700. Connect the charging head to the power cable. Then plug the charger into the socket. Then connect the power cable to the DS700. After the connection is complete, long press the power button for 3 seconds to start. Then switch the DS700 to RX mode. Get the power amplifier ready. First, connect the power amplifier to the power supply. Then turn the amplifier on. Next, connect the amplifier to the DS700 Bluetooth transmitter and receiver using the RCA cable. Connect the AUX port of the amplifier with the RCA cable. Be careful to adjust the power amplifier to the corresponding mode. Set the amplifier to AUX mode. This completes the connection between the DS700 and the power amplifier. Get your stereo and audio cables ready. Use an audio cable to connect the speaker to the power amplifier. Then we can start pairing the phone with the DS700's Bluetooth. Press and hold the Bluetooth key for 3 seconds to enter Bluetooth pairing mode. Then turn on the phone Bluetooth, search DS700 and connect. After a successful connection, the DS700 screen will display the phone's Bluetooth name. In this way, the connection between the mobile phone and the power amplifier is realized.